Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. As you follow my channel, you know I'm talking a lot about blockchain, crypto, and do a lot of different things. I've covered blockchain a couple different times. Haven't talked about this one yet. This one is the 9. Ticker is NCTY. And as you can see, you can trade it here on Robinhood. If you are looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, you can check the links in my description. There's several of them, whether it be Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade. They're all good platforms. I use all of them. And plus you can get some free stock, and who doesn't like free money? So, but back to the 9. Again, the ticker is NCTY. I don't have any of this one yet. I'm not saying that I'm not going to be purchasing it. Definitely should have purchased it back here, but wow, that's had a run-up since then. I suppose there was a lot of profit taking right here, and then it kind of died back down, but it's still doubled again since the low after the peak there. But you can kind of see what this one's done here over the year, up 923%. Come on, 3 month. Well, we'll go to the 1 month then. Maybe it Robinhood froze. Here's the 1 month. It's still up over 67%. $36 on the 12th, up to 88. So this one's kind of all over the place. If you're looking to get into this one, not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, but this would be a long-term play for me. You can kind of even see here, even today, it's been kind of up all over the place, 59, 59, 55, and just trading kind of flat since then, 58, and then it's climbing back up. So, but this one, if you don't know what it is, engages in the developing and operating online and mobile games, which has been a hot topic here lately. If you follow my channel, I did, what was it called, Roblox earlier. That's been a popular one as well. But it has mobile games. It also offers blockchain related services, as why this one piqued my interest. Well, both of those, I guess, piqued my interest. Both mobile games and the blockchain. So the company was founded by Jun Ju on 12/22/99, headquartered in Shanghai. Listed name NCTY. Founded in 1999. Kind of a small market cap, still under 300 billion or million. And this is some other stocks that people trade here on Robinhood. So. But back to the 9. I got some information here. This is 2 days ago on the 9th. The signed legally binding memorandums of understanding on the additional purchase of Bitcoin mining machines. So very interesting. 3 unrelated Bitcoin mining machine owners to purchase Bitcoin mining machines by issuance of Class A ordinary shares. This batch of Bitcoin mining machines includes different brands such as Avalon Miner, Ant Miner, and What's Miner, with an additional total number of 10,252 units and an additional total hash rate of approximately 192 PHS. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. About the 9, is an internet company based in China, listed on NASDAQ in 2004. The 9 aims to become a diversified high-tech internet company. So very interesting. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do your own due diligence on this one. Like I said, it could be volatile. Anything in blockchain, Bitcoin is going to be volatile. Why SOS and the 9 skyrocketed today while CleanSpark lagged behind other Bitcoin miners. And this is actually dated 2 days ago as well on the 9th. Bitcoin crypto rose 6.8% over the last 24 hours. Other major cryptocurrencies also surged higher, led by an 18% jump in Binance Coin. These lively gains lit a fire under cryptocurrency-related stocks, driving several sectors stalwarts more than 20% higher. Bitcoin traders were ready to brush off the damage from the past weekend's dramatic price drops, supported by a bipartisan House bill that seeks to clarify the legal framework for trading and owning digital assets in the United States. Bitcoin miners CleanSpark and The9 are buying more mining hardware, lifting their shares as much as 27.1% and 45.9% higher, respectively. More specifically, CleanSpark is buying 1,150 new Bitcoin miners, which will boost the company's hash rate capacity by 19% when they are delivered in June 2021. The9 signed 3 contracts with unrelated Bitcoin mining businesses, picking up 10,250 mining systems in exchange for 5.9 million shares of the 9 stock. So very interesting, a lot of mining going on between CleanSpark and NCTY. Y shares of the 9 Limited are traded sharply higher today, and this is actually yesterday on the 10th. Traded higher on Wednesday for a variety of reasons. As of noon, the stock was up 10%, trading as much as 23% higher in the session. The company has signed agreements to purchase over 10,000 Bitcoin mining machines. To fund these purchases, it intends to issue 196,125 new ADRs at $38.51 each, but the price per ADR and amount of new ADRs to be issued are subject to change over the next 6 months. So that's something you have to watch for with these particular stocks. I had Alibaba in my TD Ameritrade. I've sold it since then, but I had it in there, and I know I had $50. I was going to buy something. This was a while back, and I went into my account, and it was I think negative or almost negative. I can't remember. And I got to looking around, and they charged me an ADR since it's a China stock of, I think it was $38, might have been $38.51, and so I got kind of ticked off, and I had a appreciation on the stock, and so I just kind of sold it, but probably should have held it. It's up more now lately, but I haven't checked Alibaba for a while, so, but anyway, that's besides the point. Just throwing an example out there. There are 2 negatives with this announcement. First, it's shareholder dilution. Second, consider that the 9 stock trades substantially higher than the price at which it will sell new shares. This suggests there's a belief the stock is overvalued. Nevertheless, investors are bidding the stock higher by considering the positive side of the news. The 9 is increasing its Bitcoin mining capability. And you can go ahead and read through some of the other information here. This kind of shows a graph in regards to the 9 and the S&P on the graph, and you can kind of see the difference. This also shows the 9 will report financial results on March 30th before the market opens, so that'd be another date to watch. With market capitalization already over $600 million, I believe it's fair to say that it's gotten ahead of the business fundamentals. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Back to stock twits. It might come up here. And there's nothing on tip ranks for this one, but we'll check stock twits here. Are the beasts. Crypto stocks, but thanks to recent Nasdaq drop. Bitcoin was up. Only $80,000 more to a new all-time high. Should break overnight. Miners, let's go. So anytime I've noticed when I watch these and Bitcoin goes up, these kind of fall along with it, just like any other sector. But these are kind of interesting, so I'm still researching a lot of them. Like I said, I don't have any of this one yet, but that's about all the information I have on the 9. If you have any of shares of this one, if you'd put that in the comments and what your cost basis is, and any of your other favorite crypto mining or stocks, or if you're into Doge. I've covered Doge a couple times. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, if you'd go ahead and smash that for me, as well as subscribing if you haven't, and hitting the bell so when you're notified of when my next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green.